I'm going to be showing you how I did this DIY custom print t-shirt for my husband straight from home. He chose this Bob Burgers Dragon Ball Z print. So I'm going to be using Word to format this and to size it to the size that I like. Now I'm going to print this and we're going to jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so for this project you are going to need a t-shirt, some plastic wrap, some parchment paper, some scissors, an iron, and your print. I picked up this t-shirt from Michael's. It was on sale for like $1.44. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my print. I'm gonna try my best to cut around the legs here and here. My husband chose this cool Dragon Ball Z Bob's Burger print that he wanted on a t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin cutting. And this is just printed on regular printer paper, y'all. No special paper at all. That took me a little while to cut that out, but now I have it all cut out. I'm gonna take my plastic wrap. And what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you cover the entire picture. I'm gonna wrap mine twice. Now that I have my plastic wrap, I'm going to go ahead and smooth that out a little bit, and I'm going to flip my picture around. So that my plastic wrap fits around my pictures, I am gonna cut around right here a little bit, just to make sure those fit. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and center my picture where I want it. Go ahead and take a piece of my parchment paper. I got my parchment paper on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start ironing this on. Make sure you get your edges good. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit on here for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so it can cool off a little bit, and then I'm going to peel this off. Okay, it's been about a minute or two. I'm gonna go ahead and slowly peel this off. It came out amazing. Okay guys, this is the finished result. This was super quick. This is a good idea for Father's Day, a gift, a just because gift. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace out.